Question: what is Node.js? Where can you see it? Node.js is a server-side scripting based on Google's V8 JavaScript engine. It is used to build scalable programs, especially web applications that are computationally simple but are frequently accessed. You can use Node.js in developing I/O-intensive web applications like video streaming sites. You can also use it for developing real-time web applications, network applications, general-purpose applications, and distributed systems. Question: why use Node.js? Node.js makes building scalable network programs easy. Some of its advantages include: 1. It's generally fast II. It almost never blocks III. It offers a unified programming language and data type. IV. Everything is asynchronous. V. It uses great concurrency. Question: what are the features of Node.js? Node.js is a single-threaded but highly scalable system that utilizes JavaScript as its scripting language. It uses asynchronous event-driven I/O instead of separate processes or threads. It is able to achieve high output via single-threaded event loop and non-blocking I/O. Question: how else can the JavaScript code below be written using Node.js to produce the same output? This JavaScript code output is this. In the Node.js, this. Question: how do you update npm to a new version in Node.js? Use the following command to update npm to a new version. Question: why is Node.js single-threaded? Node.js is single-threaded for async processing. By doing async processing on a single thread under typical workloads, more performance and scalability can be achieved as opposed to the typical thread-based implementation. Question: explain callback in Node.js. A callback function is called at the completion of a given task. This allows other code to be run in the meantime and prevents any blocking. Being an asynchronous platform, Node.js heavily relies on callback. All APIs of Node are written to support callbacks. What is callback hell in Node.js? Callback hell is the result of heavily nested callbacks that make the code not only unreadable but also difficult to maintain. For example, below. How do you prevent or fix callback error? The three ways to prevent or fix callback error are: handle every single error. Keep your code shallow. Modularize. Modularize. Split the callbacks into smaller independent functions that can be called with some parameters, then joining them to achieve desired results. The first level of improving the code above might be: you can also use promises generators and async functions to fix callback error. Question: explain the role of REPL in Node.js. As the name suggests, REPL, read, eval, print, loop, performs the tasks of read, evaluate, print, and loop. In the REPL in Node.js is used to execute an ad hoc JavaScript statement. The REPL shell allows entry to JavaScript directly into a shell prompt and evaluate the results. For the purpose of testing, debugging, or experimenting, REPL is very critical.